Alright, today we're doing a quick review on this mini chainsaw from Amazon. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. This particular one comes with 3 different bars and also chains to go with those bars. The chainsaw itself also comes with a chain and a bar. See, I used it once before, so got a little bit of shavings. Tighten it up and adjust it. This is where we put the oil, so you screw the cap off. Fill up with bar and chain oil. Put the cap on there. We got like a little thing up here, like a prime nipple, so you can see the oil in it. How much oil I got left. Alright, the battery. Safety button here. I guess that's for the battery to show you how much power it's got left. So it looks like. Now we're gonna test it out. We're gonna cut a piece of log to see how good this thing works. See how good this works. Let's cut some wood in it. This is our spot wood and firewood. Let's try it out for second time. And it's dry also. If it was green, it would cut through it a lot smoother and faster. So I think this technically really meant for smaller pieces. It's going pretty good. Something like this, though, we should always have one safety glasses.